Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Riya Sharma. Look at the scene. Okay, so yeah, let's start today's topic of the video. So I wanna tell you something. I wanna share my real experience with you guys in this video. But before that, I want to ask a question with you. So the question is like that: why it is when we learn any other skill and we do mistake, we don't take it very hard, like we don't take it on our head. We think that it is a learning process, doing mistake is a learning process. But when it comes to learn English, and when we learn English and we do mistake, we take it on heart. We think that we did a blunder. Something same happened with me. Actually, I was going somewhere, and I was going through metro. So by the way, this is my granny's house. So I was going through metro, and I wanted to go to washroom. So I asked that where is the washroom from a lady, and I thought that why not to ask this question in English. So I went towards that lady and I asked this question, that where is the washroom. And that, like, you know what, when I was asking that lady that where is the washroom, I was fumbling, seriously. And like in this small question I was fumbling. I don't know why. Maybe the lady was a stranger for me, and maybe there were a lot of crowd available. So I was fumbling at that point of time. And then I asked in simple Hindi that where is the washroom, and that lady told me. But after this incident, I was cursing myself. Like, I was telling myself that how I can do this kind of blunder, why I was fumbling in front of that lady. I was seriously, I was going to my house, and meanwhile I was thinking a lot that how I did this blunder. The question was very small. I just wanted to ask that where is the washroom, and I was fumbling, like, as I speak with people. But I don't know what happened with me at that point of time. But yeah, this thing told me one thing, that we often curse ourselves when we do mistakes meanwhile speaking this language. Most of the people left their preparation just because they think that they do a lot of mistakes and they cannot speak in English. So please don't do this, guys. We all do the mistakes, and doing mistake is a part of the learning process, whether it is English, whether you are learning English or any other skill. So don't take it on our heart. Doesn't matter that how much fluent you are, and like, it happens. So if you will accept your mistake and you will work on that, then you will become a good fluent speaker. You know what, I have observed this thing in a lot of people, that, like, yesterday I was talking with my friend and I was telling him that for your interview you have to be good in English. So he was telling me, yeah, definitely I will join coaching and I will do a lot of things and I will speak very fluent English without any mistake. People, so people have this kind of dream, the people have this illusion that they can speak English without any mistake, even at starting. But it's not possible, seriously. It's not possible. Without doing mistake, how anybody can be fluent in this language? A lot of people do mistake. So please break this illusion of your mind that you shouldn't do mistake, you have to be perfect all the time. Do mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and you would be very much fluent, seriously. I'm also not very much fluent in this language, but I am making this video just to make you aware that I am learning this language. You can learn it too, just learn together. Village, just look at the greenery. This is the beet crops. It's so overwhelming, it's so nice. I love this greenery. I really love it. I don't want to go from here. to my house. So I hope you would love this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.